Okay, today we can learn as a singleton class how we can implement, what is the advantage of singleton classes, how to break the singleton classes we can learn today. Okay, first of all, what is the singleton class? Singleton class is a it's a one object. It will be created throughout of JVM. If you not it's not allowed to create the multiple objects. It's not allowed to create the multiple objects on throughout more than one object. Okay, like that we can create. If you creating on one instant, we need to point out the first instance, like that we can create. Okay, then you can go for implementation for singleton class, how we can implementation. Okay, for singleton class implementation, we can achieve these 3 points. First of all is the private constructor and static instant fields and factory method. Why we can use this factory method? We have this is the factory method implementation. It's a instance of installation, how we can installation to be done, like that it will be. And is private it's on private static installation. It's a second point. New create, it will be create. And the private constructor, it will, why you need to create the private define the private constructor. It's a private constructor means it object did not create on outside of the class. On the situation we can use this private constructor. Okay, then we can go for how to break the singleton class by using first of all serializable and deserializable. Serializable is saving the data and file object into the file system and sending to the over the network. In this situation we can use this serialization. Deserialization, why you can use we can create the instant of the new instant. On the situation we can create the deserialization. Okay, we can break by using deserialization singleton class. And cloning we can use on implement the clonable interface. It's on clone method is there. Inside of the clone method we can override the clone method on our class. We can break, otherwise it will be call on super object class clone method. It will be create the duplicate instant, like this is happens. That way we can step by step we can see how we can implement and how we can show this. Yeah, now we can see how we can it's implemented this singleton class. Okay, now today yeah, this is the class I written here. What is singleton class? It's implement a serializable interface and all this is we can see on next session. It's on how we can this is normal class here, here 7th line number private static instance is there and the private constructor is there. Okay, it's a factory method is there, get instant method is there. We can get this one. Okay, here what is happens on 13th line number, it's on get instant method. It will be null, synchronize black. Okay, it will be, if it's checking on inside of the also one more time. Why? Because multiple threads will be accessing at a time this get instant method. In this situation maybe it will be duplicate object should be created. On the situation we can create we can initialize inside of also this one instant instance is equal to w equal to null, instant equal to new instance, like this will be returns. Okay, we can test this object, it will be creating on new same objects or not. Okay, if I go for just I'm checking this one. Okay, just is running, it building the application. Okay, clonable is not possible. Okay, now this is on clonable is not possible. Just I can put as a comment of these lines. It's on compiler time exception. We can do later this one. See here, two hash code objects is same. Two hash code is same. It will be creating perfectly good. Okay, now we go through the achievement, like here see, um, serialization. Yeah, this is the implementation. We can go through our first point now. Okay, serialization, how we can implement the serialization and all. Now I am going on again on here this interj. Here serialization deserialization I written here. Okay, when I run this application, it will be duplicate should be created. Let's see. Serialization is not found. It means it not implement the serializable interface. Okay, we can implement the serializable interface. Okay, now we can run this one. Let's see, it will be compiled. Yeah, see here two objects is not same. Two objects are not same. Okay, when I run this one, two objects are not, two instants are not same. Okay, see why? Because it will be storing into the file system and it will be creating the new object of file system. Here read object method is there. Okay, inside of the read object method, it will be called one more method here. I will show you that one also, where the problem. Now see here, I have implemented on serializable interface. Okay, serializable interface, it's on serializable interface is we know what is the use of serializable interface. Okay, and I need to override the one more method. I written the one method read resolver. It will be written current instant. Okay, now I'm going on again for deserializable breaking function. It will be previous output of different instances created, but we can see now it's on same instance should be created. Okay, why? Because it will be calling on this method internally input stream. Okay, that is also we can see where is this implementation. Okay, here this is the, okay, here object class, here object input dot java is there. This is an IO package. This method is implemented, it's on internally implemented. We are override this implementation, that why it's not allowed to create a new instant. It will be current instant should be passing. Okay, now we can go for singleton. Now we can go for clone implementation. Okay, comma should be clonable, clone, clonable. Yeah, this clonable have clone method is there. Clonable is the marker interface, but here see, you can see here object class clone method is there. Okay, class now clone not found exception should be throws, and the object class clone should be illegally should be implemented like this. See, this is the implementation should be done. Okay, now we can implement this clone method. Here already I written this one, and I override this this method. Okay, here it's a super I am calling on. Okay, super means it will be called an object class. Now we can see the clone, it will be different instance should be created. Okay, let's see. See here different instance is created. Why? Because here clonable is it's calling on outer class. Now we can override this implementation. We can break the implementation. We can return this instant, current instant, whatever is there. Now we can see this is the old output. Okay, this is the old output. We can run again this application. We can see the new output. It's the same instant should be created. Okay, this is the, okay, most commonly interviewers are asking how many ways to break the singleton. Okay, by using serializable and deserializable, and by using clone implementation, we can break the singleton class. Okay, this singleton class mostly we can use on heavy application like db operations, or any resource should be handling on one resource. In this situation we can use it will be like logging mechanism. In this situation also we can use. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, and please uh, please comment me what is the requirement for you. I think what is the interview questions you are asking on frequently. I will make a video and I will be post again the interview questions and all. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.